Today I'm going to show you how to make these realistic custom fangs on the cheap. Stay tuned. Quick disclaimer before we start, these are small pieces that you're going to be putting into your mouth, so they are a choking hazard and probably wouldn't be appropriate for some small children. Alright, so we love a good costume here on Skilltree. Now whether you like to LARP or cosplay or just dress up for Halloween, the odds are you've needed some realistic looking chompers at some point. For everyone loves to channel their inner creature of the night. Or, you know, tiefling cleric, whatever. Now you could go for those awful bargain store plastic chompers, or you could break the bank and get those really nice ones that clip over your teeth and are like movie quality. But I'm here to offer you a third alternative that starts with these cheap fake nails you can get at a drugstore. These are just the kind that you glue into place and already have this kind of enamel look to them. In fact, I used them as teeth for my zombie costume last Halloween, and they are super realistic. You'd be surprised. Now, while you're at the drugstore, you're also going to want to grab some of this Fix-A-Dent denture adhesive. Stuff does exactly what it says on the tin. It's an adhesive to hold dentures in place. I think at this point, you see where we're going with this. So first things first, using some scissors, cut your soon-to-be teeth into a bestial point. Now, since these bad boys are made to go on your fingers, I find them to be quite a bit wider than my natural canines are. So I just went ahead and held them up to my pearly whites to assess how much needed to be trimmed down. Then I just used the scissors again to thin them out to what I thought they should be. Now when I test them out against my teeth, they look much closer to my natural size and thus a bit more realistic. Happy with that, I just used a bit of sandpaper to get rid of any sharp edges and just clean up the overall shape. Okay, from here, it's time to put these bad boys on. To do so, I just added a dot of the denture adhesive to the non-pointed side. Then I carefully placed it over my tooth and held it in place for about 10 seconds to assure it adhered correctly. Doing the same to the other side gave me this sweet set of fangs that look realistic and hold on pretty securely. I liked it so much, in fact, that I even made a bottom set for a more bestial look. And check out how realistic these things look. The coloring is perfect. I love it. And when you're ready to remove them, you simply give it a good tug and they just come right out. Though the adhesive feels really weird in my mouth afterwards. And the best part is these bad boys are reusable. They are custom fit to your teeth, and whenever you want, you just add some more adhesive to it and stick them back into place. Well, make sure you're cleaning them between uses because that could get gross real quick. And there you have it. You are now able to easily and cheaply give yourself some pretty realistic fangs for all of your costume needs. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, why don't you give me some of that thumbs up love, and don't forget to subscribe so you know when I release new content. In the meantime, though, keep leveling up, you.